this question asked in GATE 2016 in 1 mark. Okay, so let's see what it is saying. Consider the following types of languages. L1 is what? Regular. L2 is what? Context free. And L3 is what? Recursive. And L4 is what? Recursively enumerable. Which of the following is are true? Okay. So let's start to read the statements. First is what saying? First is saying what? L3 complement union L4 is recursively enumerable. It is asking you. So L3 is what? Recursive. And as we know that the complement of recursive language is what? Recursive. So it will L3 is what? Recursive, and complement of recursive language is recursive. So recursive union, and L4 is what? Recursively enumerable. Recursively enumerable language. Then definitely it will give you what? Recursively enumerable language. What? Recursively enumerable language, right? So yes, statement first is what? True. Let's check the statement second. Okay, so L2 complement. L2 is what? Context free. So L2 complement is what? Complement is what? Not context free. L2 complement is what? Context free. L2 is what? Context free. CFL complement is what? CSL. CFL complement is what? CSL. And CSL is what? Recursive. As I told you earlier, CFL complement is not CFL. It's CSL, and CSL is what? Recursive language. And it is saying you what? So it will give you what? Like this: recursive union, and L3 is what? Recursive. So as we know that recursive languages are closed under union, so result is what? Recursive. So yes, option second is what? True. True. Check the option third. Check the statement third. What it is saying? L1 star clean closure. So L1 is what? Regular. So regular are closed under clean closure. So L1 clean closure, regular clean closure gives you what? Regular. I am talking about third statement. Regular. L1 is what? Regular clean closure gives you what? Regular. Intersection L2. Intersection what? L2 is context free. L1 intersection clean closure will gives you regular, intersection with L2, and L2 is what? Context free. So as we know that context free grammar are closed under intersection with regular. So it will give you what? Context free. Definitely it will give you context free. Okay. So that's why statement third is also correct. Check the statement fourth. Okay. L1 is what? Regular. Union. L1 is what? Regular. Union. L2 complement. L2 is what? Context free. And as I told you, L2 complement is not context free. Context free complement is not context free because we know that context free grammars are not closed under complement. Okay. So that's why it is, this statement is not true. Okay. So regular union L2 complement is not a context free, not a CFL. Okay, not a CFL. So that's why option fourth is what? False. So it is asking you the true statements. So which one is true statements? First, second and third. Okay. So option fourth is correct. You can see the solution. L1 is regular, L2 CFL, L3 recursive, and L4 is recursive enumerable. Then L3 complement union L4 is recursive enumerable. Okay. Okay, so yes, it is true. Second, L2 complement union L3 complement is recursive. Yes, because CFL complement is what? CSL complement, and CSL complement is what? CSL, and CSL is what? Recursive. Recursive union recursive is what? Recursive. Statement second is true. Okay. Third is what? L1 complement is what? Regular clean closure is regular, and intersection with CFL is CFL. Third is true. Okay. So fourth is false, because it is saying L1 union L2 complement is CFL. No, when you will take the CFL complement, then it will give you a CSL complement, and CSL complement is nothing but is what? CSL, or you can say that recursive. So it will give you what? CSL, not CFL. Okay, so that's why option D is false. First, second and third are true. Okay, third are true. Thank you.
If you really like the video, please hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.